Good job. Rip it off. Got the two dolls sitting right here. Beautiful Monkey and Jessie. Wow, what is that, Cheryl? What is that? Wow, here, Daddy, help me. It's a stool. Yay! And you can open it right here. Look at that. You have a little spot to put stuff. Yeah, it works.
Yeah,
sit her down on there.
Cute, Cheryl. You and your Jessie. Okay, can you look over here and say Merry Christmas?
Okay.
Say Merry Christmas.
And make it.
Good job.